Imagine turning on the news one day to find that every volcano on Earth is erupting. Would our planet survive all of the scorching gases, molten lava, and ash if all of the volcanoes on Earth erupted simultaneously? How far would the ash travel into the atmosphere? Would anyone still be able to report the news? Not every volcano would be dangerous. There simply isn't any magma left in extinct volcanoes, those that haven't erupted in the past 10,000 years, to erupt again. On the other hand, anywhere on Earth, 10 to 20 volcanoes are erupting at any given time. On land, there are 1,500 active volcanoes, while the number of active volcanoes underwater is unknown. The term supervolcano refers to 20 of those on land. The largest is Yellowstone, whose crater could accommodate Tokyo's entire population. Suppose if they all broke out at once? What might this end times resemble precisely? There would be a lot of explosions if all Earth's active volcanoes went off at once. Explosive eruptions would wipe out the surrounding areas with a wall of rocks, ash, and gas. Rocks as hot as 1000 degrees Celsius, 1830 degrees Fahrenheit, would be traveling at speeds greater than 700 kilometers per hour, 450 miles per hour, and you would be unable to outdrive that enormous hot cloud. However, not every volcano would erupt with that much force. Some volcanoes ejected magma steadily on the ground rather than violently. An effusive eruption is the term for this. If your neighborhood volcano erupted in that manner, congratulations. However, not too long. Ash plumes would be released into the air by other eruptions. They would cover the Earth in a thick layer of ash after traveling for thousands of kilometers. Ashy mists would obstruct the daylight, diving the entire planet into complete haziness. Photosynthesis cannot occur without sunlight. All of the plants, including the crops that provide us with food and the animals, would perish. The crops would be wiped out by acidic rains, even if they could somehow survive without the sun. It would be very heavy because volcanic ash is actually tiny rock particles. Your house would fall down if enough ash fell on your roof. You can't get out of this on an airplane. The smoldering ash plumes would scald aircraft and automobile engines. Due to the poor visibility, all flights would be cancelled anyway. The water became acidic as a result of deep-sea volcanoes. Sea life would suffer greatly in this setting. The entire food web would collapse. The Earth's surface would significantly cool down as a result of no sunlight reaching it, possibly leading to a new ice age. In the long haul, however, once more, the worldwide temperatures would change, this time getting a lot more sultry. We would experience a significant greenhouse effect as a result of all the carbon dioxide released during the eruptions, causing the planet to heat up once more. Now, the safest place for you might be on a ship in the middle of the ocean if you survived the volcanic eruptions and didn't die from breathing in the ash. Or in a bunker below ground. Simply ensure you have sufficient food supplies and comfortable garments to keep you alive in this dystopian world. Prior to emerging, you'll have to hold on until the climate clears up. That will take an incredibly long time. Additionally, you would not be able to see the Earth you once knew. Drawn-out volcanic ejections regurgitating from the planet's mantle would dump this halfway liquid layer on a superficial level, causing a mass unevenness. Consequently, our planet might overturn, similar to what happened to Mars about 3.5 billion years ago. Paris could end up at the North Pole. Obviously, as usual, such a situation is probably not going to occur. During Earth's 4 billion year history, at least, there is no evidence of all volcanoes erupting simultaneously. But is it preferable to be ready for anything?